What's up guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be giving away a box of these LEDs, and this is a tutorial on how to extend the wires. Check it out. What is up guys, Derek with Divine AV here, and today I'm extending some LED lights. So I needed, normally when you get these kits at home, you're gonna have these kits hooked straight up to these guys, these little modules, and then they plug straight into the wire. Sometimes you want to get that wire a little further. So in our case, we have some crown molding where we want to get one of the wires about 20 feet down. So I've got everything I need here to do that. So right now I'll teach you how to do that. So here we have some Cat 6, Cat 5 wire actually. So I got some Cat 5 for this. I've got some little blue twist caps, my LED set, and my control module. I'm going to show you how to extend this over this Cat 5 so we can send our LEDs further instead of starting them right from where our power supply starts. Let's get it done. All right, so let's get this going. I've already stripped the back. So first thing you want to do is strip off about 2 inches of your jacket of Cat 5. Then you want to unravel these wires. What I like to do is color coordinate these for the most part. So orange, I'll make red, because that makes most of sense to me. So little orange and orange, both of these, this pair, that's red. Green is green, obviously. Blue will be blue. And brown will be your power, which is usually white or black, depending on the type of LED you have. What you're going to do, you want to cut that about halfway through on this point, so you have a little bit of room for error and enough to strip it out. So cut that on both sides, stripped out on both sides. So now what I'm going to do is strip out this Cat 5. For the sake of saving some time right now, I'm using some blue caps that I bought from Home Depot. Little 20 gauge caps. These work just fine. I've never had an issue, as long as you double check that you're twisting all together, right? So first I'm going to twist this end onto this. This side is the one that's going to plug in here to the power supply. So this one will plug in here to the power supply, attached to this line, and then this Cat 5 line will run around the crown molding to get to another point where this will be attached to the other end of the Cat 5. So let's go ahead. This side can go into here now, and now I'll hook up the LEDs and then we'll test it out and see if it works. All right, so now we got this one hooked up. I'm going to go hook this power supply up on the other side of the room over there and power this up and see if it works. All right, guys, and here we go. I got this guy hooked up right here. So I have this one hooked up to my power supply into the wall, hooked up into our little junction right there. Going along this Cat 5. As you see our LEDs over there. Go ahead and change the colors on them. All our colors are proper. The only thing left to do is pop it up there and install it. Let's get it done. Thanks for sticking around and watching this one. We had a blast doing the LEDs in this whole project. We also have a video on the platform build in this room, and we have another video that is just the whole install itself. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.